السلام عليكم دكتور ابراهيم.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. We have today a common and interesting case. A child 11 months came to the emergency pediatric with barking cough, runny nose and fever. By the physical examination we noticed congested throat, dry lips and moist mucous membranes. We then think about the assessment. We think about
partial upper airway obstruction,
acute obstruction, acute broncholaryngeal obstruction, which is mostly croup. Then we make a plan for the case, investigation, lab investigation, and X-ray imaging and treatment. The lab investigation shows us influenza A positive. The chest X-ray on the neck and chest show us a stable sign, which indicate subglottic swelling, which indicate croup also. Treatment we give him epinephrine and dexamethasone. And Abizal for the runny nose.
Nasal drops, yes.
And the paracetamol for the fever. And he became well and went to home after the treatment.
Discharged and give follow-up. شكرا.